Welcome to KrispCall. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step process to get your Ecuador virtual number from KrispCall. To buy Ecuador phone number, firstly, go to KrispCall.com and create an account or login if you already have one. After logging in successfully, navigate to My Numbers by either clicking the plus icon or accessing it through Settings. Select Purchase New Number. Choose Ecuador from the list of available countries. Once you've selected Ecuador and the desired number type, proceed by clicking Buy Number. After selecting your desired number, assign it a name and add it to your cart. You must submit the required documents and information to purchase a phone number for Ecuador. Now, confirm your purchase by clicking on Confirm Purchase. Once you've obtained your Ecuador phone number, you can begin making calls depending on the number types you've purchased. Get 100-plus international virtual phone numbers from KrispCall and connect with your global audiences remotely from a single app. With KrispCall, you can get advanced features like unified callbox, global calling, text messages, voicemail, multi-level IVR, call analytics. Contact our chat support for more information.